Hello AISC community, this side Tamanna, and this is my chatbot that I have installed in my own created website, that is Quick Take at COVID-19, and this is the chatbot. And this chatbot has questions but works with buttons. So user will be clicking on the buttons to proceed. And this is how it starts. This chatbot has all the cool features, and this chatbot has 3 stages, that is COVID-19 awareness and other questions. These are some of the videos that help the user to understand the
We all have a personal responsibility to slow the spread of.
And then there is an activity that is of washing hands, followed by Google Assistant song.
Wash your hands for 40 seconds.
So this is how this chatbot works. Thank you, and go through this chatbot.